All right, we have week 6, day 3 DLR, and it says if you want to make a memory box, you needed string, glue, markers, and a box. Holy moly. That reads funny for sure if you read it exactly how it is. Hey, what do we do, by the way? What is our mantra, everyone? We read, we edit, and we write. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to read through it a couple of times. Let me read it again. If you want to make a memory box, you needed string, glue, markers, and a box. What do we need there? What do we need? What's the first thing you hear that doesn't sound right? Aiden, your hand. What do we need to do with that? Get rid of the S. If you want to make a memory box, you needed string, glue, markers, and a box. What does that sound like, Trace? It sounds funny at the end. What do we need to do there? You need string, comma, glue, comma, markers, comma, and a box, right? So, but there's one more thing that it doesn't need to be like that, Scarlett. What do you got? We shouldn't have the ed suffix at the end of need. So we're going to get rid of that. So for this one, it now reads, if you want to make a memory box, you need string, glue, markers, and a box. Right? Yeah, that sounds better. Do you hear it? Yeah, so how many corrections do we have for that one? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got to count each of those commas as a correction, right? Vickery? You got to. So there's 5 corrections. All right, let's take a look at the next one. You'll also need a few pieces of tissue paper to decorate the box. I see a lot of spelling errors. I see a couple spelling errors in here. And I see something, a contraction. What do we need when we contract two words like should not or we will? What do we need? So tell me right now, O'Brien, where that goes. After the U in Yule. And O'Brien, what is the contraction Yule? What 2 words? It is you will, right? You'll also need a few pieces of tissue paper to decorate the box. Boy, do I see a spelling error. It just looks super weird. Rocco, give it to me. Give it your best shot. Nailed it. Nailed it. You'll also need a few pieces of tissue paper to decorate the box. Do you see anything else? I don't. Yep, I think we're good. How many corrections on that one? 2. Hold them up. Let me see how you wrote. Are we getting them on one line now? Right now, I can't see it. Good. We want to get it on one line, right? You'll also need a few pieces of tissue paper to decorate your box or the box. Was I able to get that on one line? Yeah, and so can you. All right? All right, here we go. Use context clues to figure out the meaning of the bold word, then write the meaning on the line. All right, so here's the bold word that we're trying to find out the meaning, right? So if I just wrote the word store, if I just put that word on a blank page right here, and I said, tell me what the meaning of store is right here, would you know what it is without seeing it in context? Would you? No. But now we can. It says a memory box is a good place to store your photos and other items you want to save. Lots of clues to tell us what store means in this. What does it mean in this one? What does it mean to store in this instance? Oh, it's a place you go and get candy and video game where you buy things. Oh, it means it's a place to keep stuff, to keep things. All right, let's take a look. Write the suffix correctly that correctly completes the bold word. Suffixes go at the end of a word. Ready? Looking at old photos can be really fun. Which one should it be? It should be ly. That is the proper suffix. So it's really fun. Okay? Got it? There it is. Week 6, day 3, DLR in the books. Today.